How to share your Instagram story to your Facebook. Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to share your Instagram story to your Facebook story. It's so easy and quick. All you need to do is go to your Instagram and click on profile. Click on those three lines up there. Now click on setting, click on the third option, which is privacy. Scroll down and click on story. Now, all you need to do is scroll down again until you find share your story to Facebook and turn on this option. But first, you should tap your account, your Facebook account, log in your Facebook, and to start sharing between Instagram and Facebook. Let's go back. Now, automatically when you share your Instagram story, it's gonna as you share your Instagram story as your Facebook story. So this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.